name is Brandy and I am a design team member with the Wild Hare Kits, and I'm here this month to do my unboxing for the July Deluxe kit that I ordered. Part of the awesomeness of the Wild Hare Kits is they have two kit sizes. One is the deluxe size, and so you'll see how much that is here. That has a bit of a higher price point than the petite kit, which has a little bit less and a little bit lower of a price point. So this month I ordered a deluxe kit as I wanted all the papers and all the stuff, but some months we order petite kits because then it really lets you bring in your stash to use with the pieces that you get. So you get a bit of a refresh, but you also get to stash bust a little bit. So this month is July, and I am again doing the deluxe kit, and this month I asked for a girl power kit. I have a bunch of stuff to scrapbook that's either with my sisters or my friends, like total girl power month, and I thought it would be super fun to see what Allison over at the Wild Hare Kits and the curating team came up with. And so this is what I got, and I'll just read you the little note I got from the team first. Hi Brandy, I hope you love your July Girl Power Kit. Unfortunately, I don't have the crepe paper you've got this collection, but I did send you an assortment of girl power-ish items, so even more exciting. It's not even one from one collection. I love the huge versatile sticker book from Heidi Swapp and think you'll get a ton of inspiration from it. And the indigo and ivy embellies are gorgeous. Enjoy. Super excited. So I love the benefit of the Wild Hare Kits is they have a superpower I do not. I'm not really good at bringing a bunch of different collections together and seeing how the colors match or the patterns match. It just isn't how I work, and so just does not compute with my design style. I don't get it, but I love it. So what the folks at the Wild Hare Kits do is they do that for you. So they go across the whole spectrum of the collections and bring the pieces together, which is fabulous for me because otherwise I just reach for collections where everything matches already. But I really like when things are mixed up together. So part of my time with the Wild Hare Kits was really trying to develop that superpower and kind of start to see the differences. I'm starting to see it, but I'm definitely still leaning totally heavy on Allison and the crew who have that. So without further ado, here is the deluxe kit, and here's my little thank you card. Happy girl power crafting. Super excited. This is going to be good. So I'm going to start with the embellishments first. So this is that sticker book, and oh, wow, that is a lot of stickers. 916 pieces. Are you kidding me? I used to collect stickers as a kid, and this would have like, oh, you have no idea. This makes me just as excited. So this is the Heidi Swapp piece, so I probably won't have time to flip through the whole thing. But here is like phrases. These are like nice pinks, greens. Oh, I love the days of the week. Oh, these are fabulous. I have such a thing for circles. These are clear stickers. So some of them are clear and some are not. And Heidi Swapp just has the best font ever, doesn't she? Oh, I love phrase stickers, especially black. Oh, and font, more. Everything is just peachy. Love it. Oh, it has gold. Hello. Oh, these are just fabulous. Okay, yeah, and a llama. Who doesn't want a llama? A llama and a tiger. Can those go on the same page? I'm not sure. Those are just fabulous. So 916 pieces. I'm going to have a lot of fun with that. And I think for most of these, right, back them on white if they're not already backed, and they become die cuts instantly, which is just fabulous. So that is so great. Some more stickers I got is there's 87 in here. This is the Maggie Holmes crepe paper collection here, and there's double-sided stickers, and they have a holographic piece to them, which is just great. So a few of them have a holographic piece, and I just love this. This is going to be great. Part of, oh, remember when I had that pattern paper? Oh. Part of what I want to scrapbook this month from a girl power perspective is, those are probably really shiny. I'll pop those out of here. Is my Portugal and Spain Camino walks, and which is all beachside in Portugal. So these will be perfect for that. So there they are, right like that. And you can see there's those holographic pieces there. Definitely with the sunshine outside on it, you can tell. Love it. That's so cute. Oh, and the butterfly. Oh my gosh, she's in the car. That's hilarious to me. Love the tube. So good. So good. And then this is the indigo and ivy embellishments. Oh, I love enamel hearts. Oh, look at those sequins. Those are fabulous. And then some little pieces here. It looks like there's some hearts, a little ampersand, some flowers, and a couple little butterflies, and some hexagons. Those are great. What a great idea. There you can see them there without the glare. Perfect. And then this is the Everyday Musings ephemera pack. So we'll slide that up here like this instead of opening that up for you. Hopefully you can see that without too much glare. Those are great. Oh, look at those floral pieces. Aren't those wonderful? The one of a kind. Oh, I love the tags. Come on, those are going to be great. That's going to go really great. And there's gold in here, and there's gold in the Heidi Swapp, and then gold on the sequins. That's going to go really well. And they still have those kind of that muted navy blue and the pinks and peaches, which is in the crepe paper collection. Love it. All right, let's get to the paper. All right. This is gorgeous. That has that kind of purpley pink that's in the sticker collection. So well played, well played. Love that design. Oh, black and white botanical. You cannot go wrong. This is the Amy Tangerine Stay Sweet. This is called Flights of Fancy. Love it. That's really great. Okay. Ooh, this looks like chamelli. Love that. So this is just like a confetti piece on a dark navy. Oh, that's nice. With the Time to Party by Chanel Sparkle City with the balloon. So that's really fun. Love that. That would be cool with a cut file. And here is some more Chanel Sparkle City. This is Mountain View. Oh, love that. That's fabulous. Oh, that's really great. Love that teal color. Tealy green. I don't know what that is, but that's really great. Love that. This looks like a crepe papery. That's a pink, just dots, and it's kind of a little bit, not perfect dots, which I really like about that. And then the other side, oh, that's funny, is the baskets. Oh no, that's Amy Tangerine, Stay Sweet flower baskets. When I see bikes, I just think of crepe paper. I'll be totally honest with you. That's cute. Good. Oh, pretty. So this has got that purpley pink and the teal color that's in the rest of those stickers, as well as that paper. So that's fabulous. And this is Amy Tangerine, Stay Sweet Flower Child. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I love that tealy color. Ooh, Chamel Head in the Clouds, Royal Fanfare. That is cute. And that is fabulous. Oh my goodness, I love that. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Already thinking. I love that she's got a great branding strip on everything. Love it. Oh, hello. Oh, flowers, why wouldn't ya? Or feathers, flowers, come on. Those are great. That is fabulous. That's really nice. Oh, I love that too. Oh, this is Dear Lizzy, New Day, Brave Spirit. Oh, as much as I like those feathers, there's something about this I really, really like. Oh, that's really good. Oh, and there's the cut file. Here, I'll pop it on that other one so you can really see it. So it's stars this month. That's fun. So I'll pop out the centers there. So that's the cut file. So in the deluxe kit, you get the cut file. And then in the petite kit, you can ask for the deluxe file, but no matter which kit you get access to the cut file. So that's fabulous if you have your own cutting machine as well. So something to note when you order if you want or if you don't want it, because you can always cut it yourself. That is fabulous. That's going to go great with that crepe paper, kind of beachy, the beach themes there. Oh, but I like this. I love cut aparts. Oh, look at the city. This is Chanel Sparkle City Dream Big. That is really great. Love it. So that is the paper, which is just fabulous. Love them all. I'm just going to put my favorites up because that's what I do. I feel like I like those balloons. I can't decide. This one is going to be the hard one for me because I love both sides. That is the hard part. When there's there's A and B side, but there's really no B side because they feel like both are great. So that is that, and you can see they all go really well with each of the pieces that I got in the collection. Like, it's just crazy, the color scheme and how they can put different collections together. It just makes me so happy. Look at that big thing and this thing. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to start using that. So that is me. That is my July deluxe kit with the Wild Hare Kits, and I will be back with hopefully a process video this month. July is always a gong show, but we'll see if I can get one or two of those up. But either way, if you want to see what I create out of these, the Scrap Storian Instagram, the Brandy Davison Instagram, that's my very own, and then as well on the Wild Hare Kits Instagram and our blog and our Facebook group. You can also find in my YouTube channel below the links to any of the other unboxing videos this month as well. Have a wonderful July and happy scrapping!